Hey YouTube, so this was at Higashiosaka, PA, which I went last month. I didn't get enough video coverage, only about one or two little videos, but it was definitely crazy. So we're actually going to head to another location because of Higashiosaka, PA is currently under construction. So this is like their secondary spot they go to for the car meet. We'll see how it goes. There's a couple of GTR guys I'm going to meet up with over there. So hopefully it's not too bad. So we made it to YAO, PA. Some of the GTR guys came out here. So clean. I think this is the 50th anniversary. I love this blue. I think I'm the slowest one here though. Jeez. This guy has two Nismos, I think. Ooh, I like this one too. There's a couple other cars here, but just us for now. Nani? Ah, これかっこいいぞ。こんばんは。かっけ。いいな。BBS ホイール。400R, 400R. These are only in Japan. Sheesh. I don't want to walk over there, it's too far. There's a 370Z, Civic, Rx7. That's just clean, but so far. Look at that McDonald's though. Can I get a cheeseburger and a Big Mac? Done that. Not that. So, GR Yaris. Look at this right here. 86 RX7. 86 and RX7. $35 Nismo. Told me to get in it. Oh. Oh. Hi, stretch my bed. I would say one day, but this. Oh, daijoubu? All right. Nismo. All the carbon on this. Sugoi. That's it. It was a pretty good night. I have about a 2-hour drive now back home. I got work tomorrow, but it was definitely fun. It was about 10 GTRs. Pretty fun meet. So after about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, we finally made it home. Stopped by Lawson's, get some drinks. Gonna put some gas in. I'm pretty much on empty right now. Got like 100 kilometers left. And then yeah, it's a nice little meet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.